Inherited an EMD file from a GIS project and need to view the map. This format holds professional geographic information system maps. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with ArcMap map documents. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the EMD archive, even if it can't fully extract it. A user, typically a GIS professional or student, encounters an .emd file when working with ESRI's ArcMap software. Their goal is to open a saved map project, which includes layer information, data sources, symbology, and layout settings. It acts as a project file, not a data container. The .emd file is a proprietary binary compound file based on Microsoft's COM structured storage. It was designed to store the state of a map document containing pointers to various data sources, like shapefiles, and their presentation properties, rather than embedding the geographic data itself. This keeps the project file small and flexible. When viewing the file metadata, the EMD shows a direct link to ESRI ArcMap from ESRI. Metadata editing, crucial for this file, requires a specific application beyond standard Windows viewers. Windows cannot process shapefiles, geodatabases, or raster GIS data natively. Let's find the specific program that understands the file structure. Right-click the EMD file and hit Open with. Test ESRI ArcMap if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If your EMD file will not open, do not worry. Before we jump to the universal fix, let's understand why the file is failing. Here are the most common technical reasons you're seeing this error. First, opening in ArcGIS. Install ArcGIS Pro or ArcMap from ESRI and open the EMD file via File then Open. The map document loads with all layer references and symbology intact, ready for viewing analysis or further mapping work. Verify data source paths if layers display as broken upon opening. Next, verifying data sources. EMD files reference external geographic data files by path. If data sources cannot be found, use the Set Data Source dialog in ArcGIS to relink missing layers. Keep map documents and data files together when sharing or moving GIS projects to maintain working relationships. Finally, sharing as web maps. Publish EMD content to ArcGIS Online as web maps using ArcGIS Pro's share function. Web maps enable broader access to GIS content through web browsers without requiring ArcGIS desktop software. This modernizes legacy EMD content for collaborative spatial analysis across teams. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagic. This software is available at filemagic.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.